All right, with this WESH 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Manalfi. Boy, I tell you what, we had some active weather today for sure. Things, though, are improving out there, and I will take you outside right now and kind of show you what's going on here. As you can see, big spring upper low spinning near Chicago, pouring down some of that colder air through the Midwest into the deep South, and this will be en route to Central Florida later on tonight and right through the upcoming weekend. You are going to be in for a treat here as we go through the next couple of days. Diana Radnor, GTEB 10 in the house. Appreciate you guys popping on in. 80 live viewers and growing right now. You guys know my motto, sharing is caring. The more people we can reach by you guys sharing those Facebook lives that we do gets us to more people. So that's what this is all about. Joe Johnston, Gerardo Lopez, Maria Sofia. There's a look now at the water vapor channel. Again, the worst of the weather is over. Storms have pulled off towards the south. The front is approaching us from the north and the west. You can see the deeper storms near Fort Myers and Stewart. Lightning strikes now up to the north and east, away from Jacksonville and down towards the south. Closer inspection of the storms there shows what's going on. Most of the energy, most of the activity now beginning to fall apart, even right here in Central Florida. Maria, Kiki Lee, KK McCullough, good to have you fine young folks in there. Kiki, new avatar picture there. Very nice. Nicely done. Got wet from the rain today at work, says Gerardo. Maria Sofia, always a pleasure to have you in there. Look at the showers here. Just kind of falling apart on approach to southwest Orange County. Joe Johnson, Joe Lovejoy, and Milton Teixeira also in the house. So you got to like that. There it is. There's a look now at the severe reports. As you can see, we have had 22 storm reports today. Funnel cloud, 2 of those. Damage reports, 3 of those. Wind gust reports, 17 of those. Staccato Smith, Thomas Perry, good to have you there. Let me show you the damage reports from today. Between 12 and 1, radar estimated winds to peak at about 60 miles an hour, and a metal roof came off a home in the Castleberry/Fern Park area. Thomas Perry, Charlie Mayer, I see that Facebook has put some text, some verbiage there over my video there, so I'm not sure if that's an issue for you guys or if you like that. I don't know if I can fix that, but if it's good for you, it's good for me. Maria Sofia, good to have you there. Meta Scott, also good to have you there. Appreciate you guys popping in and saying hi. There's a look now at the current temperatures. Darlene Atkins, more rain, says Staccato. Meta Scott has popped in. Darlene Atkins Palmatier has also popped in to say hi. There's a look at our current temperatures, 72 to 75. We take a look at the dew points now. They were in the 70s earlier, but are showing signs of starting to come down now. Marna, good to have you there. Glad the temperatures. Yes, much cooler weather coming our way as we get you into the next couple of days. And the dew points starting to show signs of dropping off here. Some drier air starting to work in. You can see the west winds there. Up there, Ocala. And as that shift continues, we'll continue to see the drier and that cooler air filter on in. It's going to be a process such that by daybreak, we're going to be in some fine shape. Let me go right through 7 a.m. here. There's 7 a.m. You can see not bad at all. Very, very nice. In fact, the wake-up temperatures here come tomorrow morning are going to be very, very nice. Let me show you what we're forecasting for tonight. You must have I had a great supper. Diana Ward-Lutomsky, Migdalia, Roger Weedby. All right, so 53 in Ocala, 58 in Sanford, 57 in Claremont, and look at St. Cloud, 59. Titusville coming in at 60. Palm Coast, 55. Sarah Walsh, Roger Weedby, Matthew Masick, and Tina O'Wedding, all in the house, all popping in, all saying hi. Appreciate you guys. Let's take a look at that setup for tomorrow. Wowza. Look at that. Staccato Smith popping in. Look at that. Drier air. Beautiful. Whoa, humidity. In fact, let me show you the planner. 59, 65, 74. Mid-70s by afternoon. Take a look at some city-by-city specific forecast. The villages. Low 70s. Check this out, Maria and Sarah Walsh. Titusville. Low 70s. There you go, Joseph Carino. Love that. All right. The attractions looking like this. Hollywood Studios, 9 a.m. 65, noon 69, 3 o'clock coming in at 74. Over towards Epcot, 67 at 10, 74 at 3. Vanessa Kialowi Kaimoon, Diego Felipe, both in the house. Vicky Allen Fowler, just planting some plants around the pool. We're getting, no, we're going to be dry here now for a long stretch. And I'm okay with that. There we go. 72 Ocala, 76 Bithell. Those are the high temperatures now for tomorrow. Bring it, says Bill. That's right. That's correct. Bill, you are right on it. 98% at 6 p.m., says Joseph Carino. Booyah! Pollen! Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Check it. High, 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 high. The temp roller coaster, we were 93 Wednesday, and we are going to be 76 for high tomorrow. Big drop. Big drop. 17 degrees. There's your launch forecast for the Falcon 9 Axiom 1. Again, still a go for now. We'll watch that wind shear and booster recovery. Moderate shear and moderate concerns for the booster recovery. Beautiful weather just in time. Ooh, how old is she going to be, Kiki? Sarah Miller, blessings to you up there in Ocala as well. We got the soccer lads, the Orlando City Soccer lads, taking on Chicago Fire FC. 1 o'clock 69, 3 o'clock temperature coming in at about 71. Beautiful weather. Now, you want chilly weather? Oh, do we have some of that? 43 in Ocala, 45 to land, 48 in Palm Coast, 50 in Orlando. That is outstanding weather for April. There we go. The 10th is on Sunday. Florida. Drier. There you go, Joe. Sharon Cochran. The Big Four. Oh, I love that age. Marisol Mello. There you go, Mary. Yes. So Florida forecast looks good. Monday, cool start, warmer finish. And then on Tuesday, high slides to the east, the warm-up continues. And then on Wednesday, a front approaches Louisiana, heat and humidity building. We're going to be back to the 90-degree mark, back to near the 90-degree mark. So there you go. Martin Ochoa, good to have you there, Marty. Appreciate you popping in. All right, let's head to the tropics because Colorado State University came out with their outlook, their first outlook for the 22 season. Maria Sophia, Vicky Hill, Martin Ochoa, all in the house. Good to have you guys. So right now it's pretty quiet, pretty tranquil, except for that front pushing into the southeastern Gulf. But you know, water temperature-wise, look where we are. It's warm. Waters are warm. Carrie Lee Johnson in the Caribbean. The OGT Mrs. Kyle. There we go. Feel nice. 72 in the Northern Gulf. 77 near Bermuda. 88 in the Northwestern Caribbean. 85 in the Eastern Caribbean. So there you go. Look at the wave heights. Rick Tays, good to have you there. Needed rain. Yep, take that rain. Wave action, a little rough off the east coast of central Florida with that front. Kind of cycling on through, so we'll have to watch that for tomorrow's launch. Now, FYI, we are now 55 days out until June the 1st, so the start of hurricane season. And earlier today, the folks at Colorado State University came out with their first outlook of the season, calling for 19 named storms, 9 hurricanes, and 4 major hurricanes. Again, slightly above the norm. over the last 2 decades of 14, 7, and 3. Helene Risch, good to have you there. Now, here's the thing. When you take a look at the average percentage for a named storm, it's 86%. In 2022, with an above average season, it's 96%, so 10% above there. The chance for a hurricane within 50 miles, 75% for Florida, and a Category 3 in Florida, 44%. So let's break it down this way, give you a visual. The probability of a storm within 50 miles of the state of Florida, 44% by far, leading the way across the southern United States. Now, what about the probability of a hurricane striking Florida within 50 miles of any point? Jumps up to 75%. 75%. So there you go. All right, let's take a look now at that updated 7-day forecast. And you will see that you're going to see that the temperatures here will be nice and cozy and comfortable. Brian, K-Chemical Girl, Sally Helmick is in the house. Vicky Tedlock is back in the house. Good to have you there, Vicster, the Vicinina, the Vicolina. So 75 Friday, 75 Saturday, 78 on Sunday. Monday's our transition day. Happy Thursday to you, Vicky. Tuesday is 88. Wednesday is 90. Thursday is up at 91 degrees. So we have the heat coming back, so enjoy those cooler temperatures over the next few days. Now, you want cold weather. It's only 31 degrees in Minneapolis right now, 33 in Sioux Falls, 41 in Chicago, and 45 in both Buffalo and Boston, whereas in the Southwest, they're a bit toasty in the 80s. Jojo Hernandez, good to have you there. There's a look now at your current snowpack. Dwindling there in New England, still plenty of snow up there in the upper Midwest and Minnesota, and then out in the high country out west, plenty of snow on the ground. And there it is, plenty of snow. All right, champs around the globe. We'll do a little globe trotting here. Nome, Alaska, 2 degrees below zero. That's a big plunge of chilly weather there. That's going to be working across Alaska. 8 in Point Barrow. Fort Ross is 8 above. Baker Lake is at 23. Iqaluit is at 18. Moosonee is at freezing. The Nain Airport 25. Minneapolis 31. Chicago 41. Look at that big dump of chilly air that's headed towards Washington, Raleigh, Atlanta, and Mobile. Beginning to cool down now. That will continue. Joe Hernandez has popped in. Emily West is now in the house. Hope you guys had a good day today. So you can see that cooler weather angling towards central Florida, and we have some gorgeous, I mean absolutely gorgeous weather coming our way the next couple days. Reese Stewart has popped in to say hi. Cheryl Negrati has popped in. Also, a pleasure to have you, Cheryl. Always appreciate you popping in and saying hi. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Let's see here. Boom. There we go. All right. Maria and Anagnos Santos, Staccato Smith, good to have you there. There's a look now. There it is. Kingston, Jamaica, 82. San Juan, 78. Bogota, coming in at 57. Down towards La Paz, Bolivia. Chile. In the house tonight with us is Julie. Jules, always a pleasure to have you there. Let's see, Catherine Wood. Jules, what's cooking? How was your day? What'd you get into? Did you get into trouble? Stay out of trouble? Getting into trouble tonight? What's the word, girl? All right, so Punta Arenas. Boom. Let's see there. We got Bill Sawyers, Scott Galot, and I'm blessed to saying hi to everybody. Looks like wonderful. Yes. Buenos Aires, Argentina, 68. Cape Town, 59. Joe Hernandez saying hi, Emily. Luanda, 77. Niemi, 95. Cheryl Stover up there in Ohio watching us tonight. Always a pleasure to have you. 70s is perfection, says Beth. Yes, it is, young lady. Yes, it is. Julie Spiak. I'm Jules. All right, everybody say hi to Jules. There we go. Love that avatar picture there of you, girl. There we go. There it is. Let's see here. So there's, look at the Saharan Desert beginning to show signs of heating up. Niamey, 95. Cairo, Egypt, 84. Rabat, Morocco, 48. Paris, 46. London, 41. Let's see. Oslo's at 30. Moscow, 39. Baghdad, 68. Cairo, Egypt, 84. Surgut, coming in at 25. Astana, 37. Bratsk, 30. Yakutsk, 9. Let's see there. Sally Helmick saying hi, Jules. There you go. Lots of love for her. Terry getting lots of love from both Emily and Cheryl. Beijing, 52. Tokyo, 61. Manila, 81. Kuala Lumpur, 77. Let's see. Yeah. Julie's saying hi to Sally. Look at that. Making new friends. Love that. Darwin's at 86. Broome, Australia, 84. Perth coming in at 75. Adelaide, 70. Melbourne, 66. Christchurch, New Zealand, 59. Auckland at 64. Bora Bora, New May coming in at 88 degrees. Again, if you missed it, here to recap, this tremendously large storm system, which is bringing a potpourri of snow and sleet and freezing rain to the upper Midwest, and showers and storms across coastal Virginia and North Carolina, will bring in for us some drier and cooler air overnight tonight and through. Thank you, Emily. Emily is liking my purple tie. She's a fan of purple, I see. There we go. Terry Lottie, good to have you there. Let's see here. Jojo Hernandez has popped in. Jojo, then this Nina is going to be something to watch. We'll see. We'll see. It's a week-long Nina transitioning to probably neutral as we get into the summer. Tony, you need a new video of you walking in the morning with the... Oh, yeah, cells. I can do that. Yep. Not a problem. Not a problem. Let's see here. Got that done right there. So there it is. See satellite radar. Things are starting to quiet down. And I tell you what, we have a treat for you guys tonight. Vicky Hill is good. There we go, Vicky. Tammy Diggers. Daytona Saturday looks phenomenal. It's going to be in the low 70s by day, upper 40s by night. So yeah, look at that, 53 tomorrow morning in Ocala, 57 for Friday morning in Daytona Beach, just FYI. Alexa's in a timeout right now. Thank you, Julie. Now, Jules, are you in Central Florida, or I can't remember. Oh yeah, you are. You're in Orlando. Excellent. Let's see here. Terry Lottie, good to have you there. So there's a look at the temps for tomorrow morning, 50s to low 60s. And I'm telling you, if you've got a convertible, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, ride it with pride, because I'm telling you, it is going to be phenomenal. Low humidity, comfortable weather, just going to be one of the, like a top 10 weekend for sure. Let's take a look now at Flagler Beach. There you go. Oh, yeah. Jules and Ebbs, you guys are rocking it. Appreciate the kind words, you two. Let's see, there's Flagler Beach. A little breezy, but cool. Titusville, low 70s there. If you're headed down towards the attractions, here's what we got for you. Epcot, looking beautiful. Nice commute in the evening, 72. Might need a jacket if you're sticking around for the fireworks, by the way. The boat and beach forecast for tomorrow, northwest, 10 to 20. Dr. Phillips is checking in. Brad Hughes, pool weather in Vegas. Yeah, Sal, it's getting hot out there. I saw that. There you go. There's the beach and boating forecast. Small craft use caution, as it be a bit brisk. Sophia Contrell. I did not know that. Did you guys know it was National Burrito Day? That's awesome. And it's not even Taco Tuesday. All right, now, I know Emily's a big fan of space and rockets, and we're hoping that this Axiom 1 is going to lift off tomorrow, 11/17. The weather looks good at the surface. We need to watch that wind shear and that booster recovery. Remember, now when the ocean gets a little bit rough, it's hard to land a rocket on a barge, so we'll watch that booster recovery there. Cheryl? Yes, still a go. Let me check Twitter here, and I'm sure Emily, who's our big space fan, probably knows more about that than I do, but let's just see. Let me see what I can find for you guys. I'm going to do SpaceX, spaceflight now. NASA is tentatively targeting Monday for another try at completing a practice countdown for the SLS moon rocket, by the way. I'll retweet that right now on my Facebook page. Let's see if they got anything about. Let's see. Okay, so NASA's Artemis 1 moon rocket and SpaceX's Falcon 9 shared the scene today at the Kennedy Space Center, the first time since 2009. Love that. That was actually yesterday. There we go. So yeah, still waiting. Let's see here. We do Falcon 9. Let's see here. Watch that. All right. Yeah, so it looks like it's still a go. Just FYI. All right. I do love space. Yes, you do. Brittany Fischetti. Great weather this. Yeah, phenomenal weather. Maria Sophia, you are most welcome. Maria, have a great evening as well. There we go. Boom. Yeah, it still looks like it's still a go. Just kind of plugging around here on the web. Rosie Martinez, always a pleasure to have you. Good flying kite weather. Yeah, no doubt about that. All right, so again, the coolest morning is going to be Sunday morning. Check out those temps right there. That is a little chilly. Christina Cole, I made it. Hey, Tony, she says. Christina. Good to have you in there, young lady. Appreciate you popping in. Terry Lottie saying good night, Marie. There you have it. Yeah. Let's see here. There it is. Boom. All right, Tiffany Womack has popped in. It's a crewed mission, so they'll probably be... Yeah, there's a pretty expensive rocket for sure out there. Yeah. Boom. There it is. All right, Brian Keller. We have some rainfall totals, Brian. That's a great question. Let me grab a few here for you and show you what I got. Some of the rainfall winners today. Palm Coast 167, Montverde 143, Denellen 128, Claremont 104. Terry got 1.25 in Denellen, in her location in Denellen. Windermere 214, Winter Garden 177, Edgewood 141, and Eatonville 1.32. There we go. All right. So there's Terry. Her location in Dell, and she got 1.25. That's pretty close to the number that I had, 1.28. So yeah. Michelle Attardi, always a pleasure to have you. Thank you for popping in. and saying hi. All right, so we got some wonderful weather headed our way, and the weekend looks good. Check this out. Boom, sunny and cool both Saturday and Sunday. And again, to recap it, there's a look now at Sunday morning. Let's see right there. Northeast Ocala was a little less. They were closer to 3/4 of an inch rain, which is still pretty good. Good night. Jules. Appreciate you popping in. Thank you so much, young lady. If you haven't followed me already, Jules, go ahead and do so. Mary, Richard, I know you have. Justin Wall. Hey, Tony, did you see the big Highlands County? Yeah, Justin, actually, I posted one of them. I posted one of those holes in that car, which is ridiculous. What's tomorrow evening's weather? Tomorrow evening in Melbourne, you're going to drop back into the 50s. Into the 50s there, so yeah. Go. There it is. Joy is ready for this. Miss Marziali is ready for the cooler weather. She wants it. She's into it. You too, Cheryl. All right, let me wrap it up here with a look at the 7-day so I can get rocking and rolling here. But here you go. There's the 7-day. And you can see Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, middle upper 70s. Monday's our transition day. We get back to about 84. And then we are in the 90s Wednesday and Thursday. 34 for Justin Walker. Happy birthday to you there, my friend. All right, guys, I'm going to rock and roll. I'll let you guys go. I'll be back tonight at 10 on the CW18 and again at 11 on West 2 News. Guys, have a wonderful night. As always, thanks for popping in and saying. Don't forget to share, follow, and like the page if you haven't done so. All right, Ems, you too. Take care. See you, Christine. Toodles.